Hi everyone, today we are going to show you another awesome and very simple shift tip. Keeping your cables organized could be pretty annoying. Check out our tip, it is easy. Roll up the cable, roll it around your fingers. When it is done, use a paper clip to hold it together. We are done.
That's the shifty way. If you like this video, you might be interested in some other stuff. Click to watch these awesome tips as well. If you don't want to miss out new videos on every Thursday, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.